feel incredible. I feel relieved and excited, and I'm looking forward to the future.
It means the world, to have a career path other than sport. But I think on a personal note, knowing what it means for my family, it means the world.
Today it's just a special moment at the end of a few years. Being the first to graduate, it's just a special moment.
The highlight of my time studying at Whare Wānanga or Waikato is definitely the people. He tangata, he tangata, he tangata.
I was able to do it with the support of my family and friends, and it feels like the hard work paid off.
It means a lot. It's been a big journey, and glad to be through it.
It's a really big deal. My dad went here, so I've gone here. I'm carrying on his legacy, and it's a big celebration of all the work I put in and how we put in over the last 4 years.
Graduating means a lot to me. It's 3 long years of my life, and I'm just stoked to graduate at the University of Waikato.
I mean, for me, it's just, I'm really grateful for the support that my family's shown me throughout the degree, so it means a lot. So I think that means the most to me that they're here and that I can celebrate with them.
So for me, graduating today means that all of those nights staying up were totally worth it. Here at Waikato, I would suggest making friends, building relationships and doing the journey together.